post-on paver right here. So you might say he's going to reduce the stress because he has a flange underneath, and that's going to spread the load. But we could actually reduce that stress to 0, have no stress on the paver. And I have multiple ways to do that, and here's one. So we call this the post-on paver. Give me a D. Give me one D. Nil bracket is installed, and I don't care if this is concrete, wood, steel. I don't care what the structure is. This bracket is in here. This is waterproofed in cleanly. Now we want to install a paver. If you want to go higher, we have different mounts for that. So this one is a low riding paver, but if you want to go higher, we have different mounts to secure that. But how we do this is, here's your paver. Line it up with the hole. Here's our MB3 TBD threaded onto the 3/4 inch thread. We simply screw this into the bracket below, screw down to the paver, there is no stress on that paver. It's all being supported from the nil bracket below, and there's 0 stress on that paver, but yet we can mount directly to it. The nil bracket under here, by the way, is universal, so if you had a thin paver, instead of taking the stem and going through the paver, you would simply turn it upside down and go up into the post. Here's your post-on paver.